Hi everyone, this is Cindy A. Lewis, and I have a super quick and easy craft from the Dollar Tree. Basically, it's going to take one of these large ornaments that are clear, a set of lights from the Dollar Tree that are battery operated. I chose red, some batteries for your lights, and then a little bow. This is very, very simple, easy. Of course, you can embellish it as much as you like. And then you do need some sequins to go in the bottom. So let's get started. Of course, you can use any sequins, you can use glitter, just use something that you have, and you will take off the top of your ornament. So I'm going to take this price tag off real quick. And then I have some chunky glitter that I believe that I picked up from Hobby Lobby or Tuesday morning somewhere. Anyway, it's cute. It has some little red round, maybe they're not quite round, anyway, and some little green trees. So I'm going to put some of that inside the bottom here. Okay, after you put the batteries in your lights, or you can do that after you put your lights in your ornament, just put the lights through the hole, and they're just going to be shining so pretty in here, and it just lights up everything. I'll show you one way you can put them on your tree, but you would have to turn them on. You can put them in your centerpiece on your table. So one thing is that these are not wired, so you will put your top back on and it just will slide on like that, and then turn your lights on, and you have a really pretty light up ornament with some glitter in here, and it's just really, really, really pretty. So to add a little to it, we want to put a bow on it and a hanger. Okay, and then you have your cute little ornament. Now I'm going to show you in a little bit of an arrangement how you can put these in something for your table. Now one thing that you could do with these are to put them in like a little sleigh, like I did here, with just a little decoration. Make it easy to get to your batteries, but hide them as well. And I just threw this together, so you could easily do that and make it a little nicer. I'm going to show you the blue and the red with the clear, kind of a clear transparent cord and cable, and then the green. So I'm going to try to film this kind of in the dark so you can see the lights. This is the blue with clear glitter. This is the red with the red and green, and this is the green wire, and then this is the red with the clear wire, and you can really barely see the wire in it. Now if you want to hang these in your tree, of course, to fill your tree, that might be a lot, but just to accent some places, you can just choose whatever colors, and then make sure you have a branch to hang your battery on. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this craft, and you would let me know which color you like the best. They didn't have green, or would have gotten a green, and I really didn't want to put white, but let me know what you think. And I did see these for about $6.99 at another store, and probably more. So for each one, it would be $1 for the ornament and $1 for the lights. And then I had the sequins or glitter, and I had the ribbon and bow. So really cost me a couple dollars for each one, and I just used scraps that I had. So I encourage you to use up what you have as well, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.